Hi, you're welcome again to Advancement, where you transform today, advance tomorrow. Still on the series, the Excel Dictionary. In today's episode, we'll be looking at how to use the trim function. Please like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, click on the notification bell for more videos updates. The trim function helps to remove space at the front of a number or text. Let's say, for instance, you'll be given a data to work with, and you find out that there's space at the front of the numbers or text given to you. You want to import or export them to another file, and you are finding it difficult to work with. Here is the solution. Now, I have some numbers here and I have some text here as well. Let's see how this is done. So some people might go and be doing it this way. They might come here and have to click on this place and delete and try to do that for let's say if you have about 1,000 numbers. Is this how you're going to be doing it? No, there are shortcuts to doing that. Just come to this part, just pick an empty cell and start with your is equal to sign, then type in the trim, then double click on it, select the cell you want to apply the change. Then when you have done that, you just drag it down. So to make your work faster, then you copy, then you paste special. You are settled. And for your text, you do the same thing, equals to trim, then is equal to, then you drag it down, and you copy, then paste special. With that, you have been able to accomplish a lot. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, click on the notification bell for more videos on this. See you in the next video.